Now, the basic question arises, what is the difference between an entrepreneur versus a manager? See that entrepreneurs and a manager, they both, as with the words, they both have a different meaning. The entrepreneur is the one who start a business enterprises, and a manager is the one who works under the entrepreneur. So, entrepreneur and management have a different in their standing, and they entrepreneur is basically the owner of that organization that bear all the risks and uncertainties involved in running an organization, whereas the manager objective is to supervise and create routines for the work employees. So this is the difference, that entrepreneur is faced with more income uncertainties in his income, is contingent to perform the firm, where manager compensation is less dependent on the performance of the organization. So entrepreneur is basically the one who makes the who who promotes the manager to work in an organization. Next is the entrepreneur versus entrepreneur. See, entrepreneur is a large corporation that take direct responsibility for turning an idea into profitable finished product to assertive risk taking and innovation. So it provides a stack where entrepreneur in yourself keeps the flame going. So entrepreneurs are found anywhere their vision take place, and entrepreneur work within the confines of an organization. So it is the two things, that is the entrepreneur is the one who have makes to anything for, who has invested his money time to raise an organization, whereas entrepreneur are the one who have to deal if any kind of conflict arises within the organization. So entrepreneur is something that is for a that knows the business for a man, a macro scale, and entrepreneurs are the highly skilled and specialized workers working in his organization or his or her organization. So this is the difference between entrepreneur and entrepreneur. Also, entrepreneur may find difficult to get resources, where entrepreneur have the resources always ready to them. Entrepreneur is may lose everything when they fail, but entrepreneurs still have a payback to look forward if they fail. So entrepreneur is know how the business is of macro scale, and entrepreneur are highly skilled and specialized. Now coming to the entrepreneurial decision system. So the decision is about deciding to become an entrepreneur by leaving a present activity. We have to think beyond what we are doing now. So the decision is to leave a present career or a lifestyle if we want to change in a career or a lifestyle. It's a desirability of a new foundation of a new formation venture, and is about the possibility of a new venture formation. So these are the desirability of a new venture formation, that is the perception start with a new company, desirable result from individual cell culture, subculture, family, teacher and peers, and many subculture that shape value system operation within a cultural framework. Companies also gain from the teacher who can significantly influence individual, and the possibility of a new venture formulation is that the key, the various factors that is possible to create a new venture: formal education, business, educational systems, market. Entrepreneur must know the marketing to how to put together the entire package. Role model and risk capital availability. Financial resources must be readily developed. So this is how we have understood the difference between entrepreneur and manager, entrepreneur and entrepreneur, and what are the various decision process of an entrepreneurship.